The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is one of the most well-known features of the planet. It's a giant storm that has been swirling around for at least 350 years, making it one of the longest-lasting storms in the entire solar system. This massive storm is so large that it could easily fit 3 Earths inside of it. Its reddish color and size make it stand out against the backdrop of Jupiter's cloudy atmosphere, which is why it's such a fascinating and mysterious feature for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is known for its thick atmosphere, which is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. This atmosphere is full of swirling clouds, some of which are light and fluffy, while others are dark and stormy. The Great Red Spot is one of the most notable and long-lasting of these storms. It's located in Jupiter's southern hemisphere, and it's been spotted and studied for over 350 years, making it older than most of the countries on Earth. The storm itself is a massive area of swirling winds and clouds. The winds in the Great Red Spot move at speeds of up to 400 miles per hour, which is about 3 times faster than the strongest hurricanes on Earth. These powerful winds cause the clouds in the storm to move in a counterclockwise direction, creating a large oval-shaped spot. The red color of the storm is another intriguing feature, though scientists aren't entirely sure why it appears this way. Some think the color comes from chemicals in Jupiter's atmosphere reacting with sunlight, while others believe it could be caused by the planet's unique weather patterns. The size of the Great Red Spot is astonishing. It's about 10,000 miles wide, which is roughly 1.3 times the diameter of Earth. To put this in perspective, if Earth were placed inside the Great Red Spot, it would fit comfortably within the storm. This makes the Great Red Spot much larger than any storm on Earth. Despite its size and power, the storm isn't stationary. It moves around Jupiter's atmosphere, sometimes shifting position slightly, but it has remained in the same general area for centuries. This has led scientists to believe that the storm may have been going on for far longer than 350 years, possibly for as long as Jupiter has had an atmosphere. Interestingly, the Great Red Spot isn't the only storm on Jupiter. The planet has many other smaller storms, some of which are quite powerful. However, none of these storms are as large, long-lasting, or well-known as the Great Red Spot. Over the years, scientists have closely studied the storm to try to learn more about how it works. One of the biggest questions they have is why the storm has lasted so long. On Earth, hurricanes typically last for only a few days or weeks, so the fact that this storm has been going for so long is very unusual. Scientists believe that the Great Red Spot may be powered by a combination of factors. First, Jupiter is a gas giant, which means it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth does. This allows the atmosphere to behave very differently, with constant movement of gases and winds. The planet's massive size also contributes to the storm's strength. Jupiter's gravity is much stronger than Earth's, which helps to hold the storm in place. Additionally, the planet's internal heat plays a role in powering the storm. Even though Jupiter is far from the Sun, it still releases more heat than it receives, which could help fuel the storm and keep it going for centuries. Despite being around for so long, the Great Red Spot is not guaranteed to last forever. In recent years, scientists have observed that the storm seems to be shrinking. It has been slowly getting smaller, and it's possible that, in the distant future, it might completely disappear. However, no one knows exactly what will happen, and the storm may continue to change in ways that we can't predict. The Great Red Spot is a mystery, but it's also an important tool for understanding the weather and atmosphere of giant planets like Jupiter. By studying it, scientists can learn more about how storms form, how they are maintained, and how they evolve over time. It also gives us a glimpse into the power and complexity of weather systems on other planets, and it shows just how different those systems can be from our own. In summary, Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for at least 350 years. Its size and power make it unique in our solar system, and its mysterious red color adds to its allure. Although scientists have learned a lot about the storm, there is still much to discover, especially about why it has lasted so long and how it might change in the future. The Great Red Spot is not just an interesting feature of Jupiter. It's a window into the complex and ever-changing atmosphere of one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system.